I didn't get my coffee. I'm gonna drink it.
I miss you.
Oh, there.
September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed.
Hey, pangpar, tui ka pedona. That's enough. Tui hi ka pe khat ve, lo to ka mo. Kar khata ve khat pek cho he to. Pon lam check lo. Oh, good morning. Vek oh. Hey, pon lam po eng thatto va khop mea. Khoa nuam khop mei tunan Friday zing dar kwa nia. Hey. Thiang thasya mo. Lum si lo hey. Anuam top ani mei. Num dan hi anuam top ani mei. Nuam heavy ang khani tuite pon ron tam ro sur ve da wa he. Voin chu kanu le ka pate nen kan hun man dan ka ron tilang dona kam vlog chu in lo enjoy nge ka be se ya ron langzel don nia o kanu le ka pan lo kal dona lo la thleng lo da wa ka nga ka kan veng re zia hi solai thil cha som kan veng hi nuam top ma se mo re ma se ti hian thiang ema kanu te hi ui le zo te kan ne wang hianin an riak thei don lova tlaya dar ni velan hole dona chumi ma cho kan chuak vel dona kan ron tilang zel don nia o let's walk an interview look nge are you excited to see your parents
Yeah, it's been
oh got
a week now.
hey ke pop pimples ta kan nei mo don lai to ka chebor lo you excited to see mom and dad
Yeah, it'll be a good day.
let's see
We're gonna go out for lunch.
yeah go out for lunch po na kanom meka I kanuti kan nga ka right we waiting for mom and dad you excited for Tlawh?
Yeah.
That's our
Are you
interview.
excited?
How? I'm excited for Tlawh because you're gonna see them for the first time, you know.
Yeah.
Kan pa hi avai khat na tur nia Tlawh chu wangin excited to pa chan kanuti hi they're gonna stay here only today, right?
Yeah, just a couple hours.
Voin an hole ngal dona chan chu because Scarlett and stuff we kan nei boxi zo te mal so ma te tong song kha an react thei lo ni chumo chung vel chu ron soi pok ni
Oh, yeah.
Tlawh me ya kan nei na chan chu I khwa ron lum ve tran chau tu na bon tle me la vot ke pong kor lum ka ha khi in lo March tha man thin ni ta mi zor ma te chuan kan hreveka ma se helaya chuan in March ha chuan vur te la tam mole no pang school kal lai ne tu na hen school chol arun ni chawa are me ma state sang mi ten rong kal dona chuan in Tlawh vel chung chang kha chun kina vlog danga kan Tlawh kal na te le enge kan hun man dan te kan ron la ti jok ngamo tun tan chang kanu le pa te lo thling anga kan bung ro te an ron thlinga kan bung ro te ron phur dona in lo kan han wai pui vel nga kan ron lang le don nia ready ka mai hi ron bolamo he a thi sor me na lo to he hi nia to mi tha ka ti lo tok chu nia lal zawa trai ve ro ka ta kan mang tir chin ngi here you open I'll put for you I want people to know because it's really good skincare system dinamo oh big nose like Indian I sensitive to ka kan pa skin himo no irang ngai they finally here in Tlawh here is Nana.
Hi. I didn't get my coffee. I'm gonna drink it.
Got new bangs. Hey, I started with some guy. Mom, look, I got myself.
Yeah.
I wanna.
Me too. I miss you.
Oh, Daddy.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Good to see you.
yeah.
Been
long
a
time.
handful
Yeah,
with the
yeah.
remodel and working all
see
the
you, man.
mess.
Blue is they're doing the thing, huh?
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like Daddy lose his white.
He's losing some.
Yeah.
Maybe. I don't feel like
Mom, I like your shirt. Look at that.
I'll start unloading.
It's so
Yeah,
beautiful.
and it's soft.
We were supposed to wear this one yesterday, but I don't have it. They're good.
I thought she'd want her.
Oh.
Banana bread.
Hey, let's go, Cor.
Here's some banana bread, Quee.
Oh, Mom, thank you.
Last night.
What's that?
That's our
Oh,
picture.
okay. Oh my God, thank you.
That you guys
I
left-
know I want it. Thank you. I didn't think about.
Dad and I got you this to put your desk in this.
What's that?
It's
Oh,
a dragon and
dragon.
a wizard.
Nana, bring for me this one. Here, Mom. Can we get me frozen stuff?
Onions.
Can Juana Minia? Oh, chili.
Jalapenos.
Yeah, I'll go frozen.
Habaneros, they're green.
Wow.
But you can still
Yeah.
ripen.
Yeah, and then
some
the
ripened.
ripe one.
And then, I don't know what this was. It was
Curry
in my
leaf.
freezer.
Curry
Okay.
leaf, yeah. And Nana make for us what?
Lasagna.
Is it beef?
Yes.
Oh, beef lasagna. Hey.
Hamburger.
Yeah, thank you, Mom. I can't wait to try them. It's been a long time. It's requires by me. Looks so good. I'll go put it in the fridge or what?
Yep, just to get
Okay.
in the fridge.
Oh, you look so cute. Look at you. Hey, Kanuin, banana bread. You bake it, right?
Yep, last night.
Oh, that's a frozen banana leaf.
And then here's some
Wow.
soup bones.
Oh, bongsa,
They're
beef.
frozen, yep.
Wow, thank you.
Moved Dadness. They got a semi and loaded it up and it brought it here and it unloaded it.
Hey, mi kitchen he kanu ka pedo na achunga. Inside there is a cross.
Oh, neat.
Yeah,
And she sells them.
yeah.
She needs the one step up.
Look at that for you.
Oh, neat.
It's cute
That is
color,
cute.
right? Yeah. Kan na nok lu to kan bung ro po.
I'm sure you had to
Kan
have
swak
that for
po
your
tang.
desk.
Kan swak ni hey Mother's Day special lunch kan 8 swak. No, now we're gonna eat out lunch.
Yes.
Let's go. Buffalo Wild Wings. I'm so excited. Buffalo Wild Wings.
Or you want? I guess you guys.
Kan pa po na nute local to no amati le may hey motor khalangai lo sim hin no amati to pani mo. His driver. Hey Daddy.
Got a show for now.
Who is here?
Hey,
You forgot who you are?
Pooter.
I have a hate-love relationship with drivers.
Oh, I know, right?
I don't have my
I had
hearing
two of
aid
them
in, so.
right in front of me. I don't think they saw me.
Kanute kapate kan na thona ka mudo na alta kal mek don
Turf.
putar nen
Oh,
ho kan
I
chua.
see. They're putting in.
Nice shifa he kapul na sul.
A new development.
Hello, Buffalo Wild Wings. I can call Donala so the favorite niya. Oh, look at that. You see, Mom?
Yeah? You guys want to eat outside or inside?
Yeah.
Inside's fine. It's not buggy.
Yeah.
Dad don't like it.
Oh, there's a bee, Daddy. Run, run. Hey, kapay quiet, Tlawh.
Yeah.
That's so beautiful.
Pillow.
Kanule kapalaw zinchu nukte khaul ve cheping ka siya hey an ngai om ve lu to ka chanin voin chu kanu bula hian ka vlog do na chun chu kan viewers ten ngai tol tuk chau ka te an lo welcome to pa e an tia chanin and lao Mother's Day ni box ya kan te kan shrai chhuak nga la lunch ai pui turin mo a chun chu an hole nga la ngai do na hemi kan ei zo hian kan in lama kan ho thlang an hole mei do na nakina kan ui en kol tu turan om chan riak te ponan lo la kalanga tuna chon ui nen zo te nen riak chhuak thein ni ri lawa chu wangin jing da red velan ron thlenga tuna hianin kan thil ei lai tak vel hian dar khat cho nu vel ne dar ni vela min ho san le mei do na lunglen thla khop me chan ho lai te le enge Uvani te ina kan vakal lai te I kan bazar lai vel sandaya mi cho ya ka som do na chung vel ka vlog tlem bok ron da te la in lo enjoy vek ka ringa chuan ke ni po pathian zara kan dam ni chuan July thla vela hianin kan vazin phei veng te kan tiamo chuan in lo enzel mei ula tikhanin hei restaurant chunga han lo vlog na chang ka lo shlo duangin video lo tam lawa min lo she thiam ula chang kan thilei te tu em ani o kan ei zo chia hei kan honga kan ute pon hong hal mei do na kan thil vel ron thiar wang khan ke ni kan bazar do na ma se in kan ho patang kan kar kan king
You
si
want to
lo
sit on that side?
yeah hey daddy kapag it's hello mom and dad they're going home
Yeah, it'd be cool if we watch a Raider game.
hey daddy
So,
Gotta keep
oh,
it in.
love you daddy thanks for coming
Yeah, we'll be back.
Love you.
thanks for coming and bring
We'll be
us
back.
stuff.
Having us. Thanks for Mother's Day.
Yeah, it was awesome.
That was good.
Now I can drive home full.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, and hot dog.
Yeah,
Now when
We're
do you
gonna
come
miss
home?
them.
you guys come anytime. We'll come back.
Bye-bye.
See you next
Going
time.
back to Illinois.
Enjoy your vacation, Mom.
I will. Not much left.
Tuesday, right?
Yep.
Snow on everything. Oh, wow. Inches, so it looked like we were in a snow globe. And it was totally isolated because all you could see was the tree line and the
Bye, Daddy. Now you got the front seat.
Scarlett is,
Yeah.
Scarlett is a handful.
Bye, Mom.
Bye.
Love you guys.
See ya. Love you. See you later. Have a safe trip.
Hopefully my husband don't cry. Tuna hianin Cherry Asian Grocery ang kaldona tuna piapo sonin chin family restaurant ti vel te oma family collection ti te dole kan kal nga langa e to me sunday a chian te ho choron e tur na kina vlog na karon ti langa chung an me tur vel te kan leidona mi zo chau ka po kan tlo don ni excited mi zo
Oh,
chau
yeah.
ka
The
kan
best
nute
kitchen in Illinois or Indiana.
yeah best chicken
Best kitchen.
best kitchen in India na ti chu kan pa in mizo chau ka hi chuan in tu na hyang kan nu le ka pa te po an ho to a na na le pa pa kha kan ngai lo tu ka we miss them right but they cannot stay hopefully we can visit them in July right
Oh, yeah.
July a vatlo kan tum don ni mo ka han lu tangi o Asian care kan ti na chon chu vein chu kami khwal tur te hian in mizo cho an ro plu to ka ma ke ni hi mizo cho hi kangai na thau na in kai vak lawa chon chu in sum hi har ka ti thina chu wangin okay ya he mi bu fai kan lang e ka mizo mi khwal tur te an bu fai he dom boka he okay all this cute one. Oh, this is so cool, but they have Bible version of that you can put in the house, but we should buy only when we have a house though, to hang there, you know, like cross. We can even buy this stuff.
Oh, a flag.
Yeah, we can put in our house. You see that?
Yeah, that's cool.
I'm glad they have all these things. Look, all the cool stuff. Oh, baby.
Yeah.
They have like a kameez type, longer one. Look at that for baby, it's so cute.
Yeah, I like it.
Kumbel?
No way.
No way, that's the amuleto. Your favorite kumbel there. Look,
Yeah.
Lalzao, here is your favorite kumbel. Come here. Look, it's
Hi, how's it
$25. Is it the same as
going?
yours?
Yeah, I think it's very similar.
Try it. Hey, what is that? Can you give me? Bai Bing. No,
Cherry.
no. It's not Bai Bing. Give me that one. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, thank you, please. Oh, this one is not Bai Bing. I forgot the name. Wait. Behliang. Behliang. This one. We used to have a lot in my garden, you know. Behliang. Behliang Liang. Okay, we can buy this one. This is Stinky Bean. I'll go and start. I have to buy it. Well, it's different price. Maybe tastier. Zongta red. Zongta red can lau luyang. I'll mix with stinky bean. Put together. Okay, we go to vegetable. Okay. Hey, Kanpani, he my husband. Oh. She's the owner of this store. Hey, he yang zangi jeng thumo ente Sunday mi khwal choi tur ka neya mi zo ko jap cha ko rongkal kha. Oi, antram fresh lu to ni hi. This one is antram, but it's more like really fresh than the other one. We can just boil them and drink the soup. It's $3 a piece, so I bought 2. They're all the cool stuff. You see?
Yeah.
It's all the fat. There's all mun pia ka.
Yeah.
Mun pia kan lei don ni mun pia. We already have dustbin, so we don't need. Oh, what is this? I think this is what Rebecca used for steaming sticky rice. Hey, and lauti na ka ni em. Ay, atak su ka na ito ah. Mun pia ka lei don ni. Mun pia. Hengi yan chai hao niya. Let's check out what I want to buy. Khang hu pon ne ma se wi ha a siam tham ting tong le don lo ni khang hu chu awi hlir chu ngai na am lo is good hi lei ta zo kala pom chuma o salad pe la mo. I still have lime, so we should be fine. Is it still good?
Yeah. What are they? It's like
Squash type. I can make salad. That's what I'm planning to do. Hey, bepui thane hi chu baya. I'll make by with brinjal, this and this brinjal is funny. Yeah, it's gonna be mixed vegetable soup. You like vegetable?
Yeah.
Vegetable, tomato. I don't think they have baked. Did you see any baked? Hey, he mau to rotwise ready made niya kaladona hey kanhan envel ni. Hey, coriander ni lo. One coriander. Quang quả te om ni hey quang quả chalo to hey. Quang quả hi kataw nga. On this. An kasa po an law na ni hey an kasa wi tuy don to an kasa hi. But well, mau tuai, rot tuai, anya.
Mau tuai ko dito
Oh, I can amin sa dero. Dito ni he, dito no to. A frozen velvet he thong em le.
A frozen thế.
Lâu chi hoa về.
Frozen nó không cho nên mấy chuyện chuyện thì thế à. Khai rồi không chơi à. Rot tuai đi tắc dọc khai ta mo. Đâm tắc om ta. Mau tuai te, rot king te, rot nal te om ta mo. Mà sẽ khắc khắc chú rot tuai cái này dọc chứ.
He thì mấy chọn tomato không phải là lên.
Dạ, thấy chú. Cái gì không
Dạ thì mấy lên. Hey, lâu ta cho lên mấy rồi. Hey, vừa đi tên cần xin lệ ta bố xem thở tên cần xin lù tăng ấy Where are you going?
Oh, it's a choker.
It's a choker. I'm going to Vani house. Hey, Vani tên nung nha anh đuổi lúc tụi hey. nuam lu tuk samara lo nuam per ni hi tro so dil tenen hello boy khop me ala trăng chen kan tilang me ang let's go come and look their backyard it's so beautiful it looks like a little river here look fishing we can do fishing hey thing to bui kan hi kan dor nge o som thum man kha min pek sak chin tro chon som ruk man mi lo kha exam nge bong sare phi ti hian dollar som ruk ania pakhat hi som thum zel nia thing tu pui nen ka lei saka uwan hian lo zora lo boy em ema chap char ko to zor tur te alo boy puya tlemin an lo boy do he ka wang hang kai ni po kan om rei vak lawa han ti lama chang kan hole ta me ya chap char ko ta kai mule turangai la mani boy boy han kan boy i we sa om tho poi ka im mui khat em ema a he lal zawayan uwani number lo dila poisa impact dan tur mo online he gpay in tiang do ha oi kan nui zal tok uwani tin lo save ve nge an lo in rol ring sian kum kha oi kan han nui le bok boka limom khop me ya han omre to po cha oma ma se mi boy lai lo om ve chen te kha ain thashun oma kan ho san le a chuanin next video ate kanin hule nga chachar kut kam man na tele kan thil ti te next vlog lama karon tilang don ne chang uwan chunga po kan lom te ha kan du piang in thil leitur hi lo kol zung ol sam em ani hey kan ho san don ta bye bye
See you.
Kan
See
lo me o nia kan tena sa via wang so boy let's go home uwan te veng hin wam khop me I like their community right kan home ka zong kha kan vlog ni mai save in done right we'll close the video for today we'll say bye bye to you guys
Guys.
see you next vlog